Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your headphones is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check if you have the latest software version. If you have Android, you need to only add Beats application, and of course you need to add your headphones to the phone, pair them. On iPhone, go to the settings and click at your headphones here. Your headphones should be connected with your phone and turn on. And right here, look at the information, the same in the application. In the first line you will see a button update if you haven't latest software version. If you haven't or it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to turn off them. So at the bottom of the left ear cup we have power button or system button or connectional button. Just press and hold this button. After that you need to press and hold on them again until you will see the red LED light. It's something like 10 seconds. Firstly these headphones turn on, then enter to pairing mode and start blinking white. It's okay, don't worry, just keep holding this button. We need to look at the red LED light. And now we have it. So you can release your fingers. Then we need to reconnect them with the phone. If you have iPhone, you can do this with this pop-up, just click connect, or you can go to the settings. Then it's the same for Android. Bluetooth or connected devices. And the best one that we don't need to remove them and then add it again. We just tap on them at the device list and we have connection. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!